Now, we are going to solve this problem number 54 on projections of lines by using AutoCAD software. The problem reads like this. The top view of a line capital PQ 75 mm long measures 50 mm and the front view measures 60 mm. The end capital P is 30 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the line and find its true inclinations with HP and VP. Find the distance between the end projectors. So this is the problem. So we need to solve this by using AutoCAD software. So to do that, first we'll go to AutoCAD screen and switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. First we'll go for the command limits, enter, specify lower left corner by default 0, 0, accept it. Upper right corner by default 12, 9, you make it 297, 210. Then zoom all. So why we are doing this exercise of creating this A4 size sheet? Because in the examination they will going to give you the A4 size sheet only for taking the printout. So that is the reason why we are setting the limits of our drawing. So that means I have to work on that particular boundary wherein your drawing has to be completed only within this boundary. So to do that, so first we'll go for a line. So first we'll go for the line command. You take any point. We are going to try to draw by using the relative polar coordinate system. So I'll go for @ 297 less than 0, then @ 210 less than 90, @ 297 less than 180, and then say close. So this is relative polar coordinate system. Go to zoom, extend, and zoom 0.6x. Then we need to go for layer command. So first we're going to create all the layers. Layer, click on new layer, type the layer by name XY, enter. Click on new, type the layer by name front view, enter. Click on new, type the layer by name top view, enter. Click on new, type the layer by name true length, enter. Click on new, type the layer by name locus. Now we will going to adjust the line weights. Layer 0 works on the projector line, so I will going to fix the layer line weight as 0.05. That is the line thickness of projector lines as 0.05. Then XY line should be having 0.13 and say OK. Then front view should have the line thickness as 0.5. OK. And also the top view should also have the same thing of 0.5 and say OK. Then true length should have 0.3. You say click on 0.3. OK. And the locus line should have 0.05. OK. Then the line type of locus will going to have continuous, but I want dash dot. So you just click on line type. So by default, it will always have only one line type, which is continuous. Now I want to load another type. So I'll just click on load, take the cursor to the line type and type D, because dash dot is D is the first character. Once you type that, so automatically it jumps the cursor to dash dot and say OK. And then you click on that dash dot, because now first we have loaded that. Now we have to select that load line type and say click on OK, so that you will going to get this. Then go to true length, color, and make it color index color as 30. OK. Then the top view should have the color as red. OK. Then the front view should have the color as magenta. OK. And say close it. Once you do that, now we will going to solve this problem. So to solve this problem, first we will go for the line, draw XY line and mark VP and HP. So we need to go for offset of 30 mm above XY line and 50 mm below XY line. So first we'll go for a line command, draw a horizontal line of any distance and go to offset, take the distance as 30. So select this horizontal line and offset to the top side, and again go to offset, take the distance as 15. Select this horizontal line and offset to the down, then go to line. There are one more method wherein you just click on this and draw a vertical line and then go to fillet. So fillet between these two and fillet between these two. So once you do that, so we have this line and this. Now I need to find out the true length in the top view. So I need to take 50 mm offset. So from this particular projector, you take 50 mm and draw one more line. So you just go to offset, take the distance as 50. So select this and offset to this side and say fillet between these two. Once you do that, so what will going to be the true length is 75. So then go to circle, take int of this and take the radius as 75. Then go to extend, select boundary edge as this and object to extend as this vertical line. Then go to break this circle till here and you break this circle till here. Then go to erase this circle. Then go to line, take int of this and take int of this. Then you draw a horizontal line. So first what we are trying to do is we are trying to draw the locus. Now again he says the front view has to be measured 60. So you just go to offset, take the distance as 60. You select this line and offset to left side. And then go to fillet between these two. Once you do that, then go to circle, take int of this and take the radius as 75. Then go to extend, select the boundary edges as this circle, object to extend as this vertical line. So it will going to touch us this boundary. Then go to break the circle always in counterclockwise direction from here to here and again from here to here. Then go to erase this arc. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then draw a horizontal line. So then go to extend, select this as the boundary, object to extend as this and object to extend as this. Then go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to break, trim between this line and this line and then just go to this line and this. Then go to erase this line. Once you do that, again you just go to circle, take int of this. So here, now what I need to do is I want to draw an arc from this to this and it will going to touch us this locus. So to do that, so go to circle, take int of, so here go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then I need to trim between this line and this line as the cutting edges. Then object to trim as this and object to trim as this. Then go to erase this segmental arc. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this. So we have this distance will going to give you the distance between the end projector. Once you get this, so you're going to break this and similarly on this side, similarly on this side and also on this side, so also in this side. So once you do that, so this is the problem which we have solved. Then go to zoom window, you take nearer to the screen and now we're going to change the line thicknesses of individual lines. So you just click on this, go to layer, you make that layer as XY. So escape, then go to true length of these two and then go to layer, make that layer as true length and switch on the line weight display. Then click on the front view and go to the layer, make to that layer as the front view and again you click on this and go to the layer and make that as the top view. Once you do that, so you need to find out this line and this line. What I want to do is go to layer, make that layer as locus and then change the line weight, line type scale. So which is 10. So since all other lines will going to be the projector lines, so we need not to worry about the other things. So once you do that, now we need to write the dimensions. So go to DDIM, save the dimensioning variables. So click on modify. So go to lines, you make it as offset from the origin as 2. Then symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3. Then go to text, take the text height as 3. Then text alignment, align with the dimension line. Center becomes above. So this dimension is 2. Offset from the dimension line as 2. Then go to primary units. So I need to have a linear dimension. I'm going to take is, just go to precision. You make that as 0. And all angular dimension you make it as 0.00. Say okay and say close. Now we need to do the dimensioning. So to do that, first we will go for dim, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So you're going to get it as 30. Similarly, int of this and take int of this. So you're going to get 15. Then go to nearest on this. So we're going to take the top view now. So this is going to be the top view distance, which is 50. Then go to nearest of this. Nearest of this. Go to dim. Go to nearest. And go to perpendicular. So you're going to get 60 here. So you're going to get 60. So correspondingly, you're going to get the true length. Then switch off the ortho mode. Take int of this. And take intersection point of this. And you're going to get 75 mm here. Then escape. Then go to break. Break this line till here. So once you do that, now we go for the dim. Then take angular between this line and this line. So here I want the text to be 48.19, that is theta is 48.19. Yes. Then you give space and enter. So you're going to keep it here. Similarly, angular, select between this line and this line. So you're going to get it as 36.87. So you take 36.87. So here you go to text, give space, enter. So you place it wherever you want. Once you do that, now we need to go for the linear dimension up to second decimal point. So go to DDIM. So you select modify. So go to the linear dimension, make the precision as 0.00, say OK and say close. Now you just go to dimension, go to horizontal. So go to dim, take nearest on this and take perpendicular of this. So here you're going to get the text 21.79. So D is equal to 21.79 mm. So here you mark this as D and say here it will be dim. Go to nearest point on this and take perpendicular to this, and here type text. So D equals question mark and say click on this. So once you do that, so you are going to get it as 21.79. So then go to DDIM. Go to DDIM and then modify and go to primary units, precision as 0, and this angular dimensions also as 0, and say OK and say close. Now you go now we'll go for the D text. So to do that, first we'll go for D